In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can merge two images together in Adobe Photoshop. So first, let me drag in the images I want to use. And then just position them roughly where I want them to be. Make them a bit bigger maybe. The second image, drag it on top. Something like this. And when you have both of your images you want to use, you have dragged them in, they are on top of each other, and there is an overlapping part, you can take your rectangular marquee tool and then make a selection on top of the point where they overlap and make the selection big enough, because the bigger the selection is, the better the merging of both pictures will be. And when you have selected this, you get this contextual taskbar, which you can also find on a window. Then you can select the contextual taskbar. In this contextual taskbar, we're going to click Generative Fill. We're not going to give it a prompt. We're just going to click Generate. So now Photoshop has merged the two pictures together, and as with all generative fills, you get 3 variations you can choose from, and you can click in between them to see which one you like best. And just to show you, this is the merged version, and then when I deselect this one, you can see from what we started from. And I think this one does have potential. When you have the variations, you can hover on top of them, and then you get this little icon, and the little icon lets you enhance the details in the merge of the two pictures. So when you click this, the detail has been enhanced by Photoshop now, and it also creates a new version for you. So this is the enhanced version, and then this is the version before. You can see little details becoming brighter and more enhanced here. This subtle, but it does enhance the image. But yeah, that's how you can merge two images together in Adobe Photoshop by using the Generative Fill option without adding a prompt and just generating after you've selected the merging point between two images. So this is what Photoshop made from my two images, and these were the two images before. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.